In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return a Costco online order. Whether you've received an item that didn't quite meet your expectations or simply ordered the wrong product, returning your online purchases at Costco can be a straightforward process. Let's walk through each step together. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Costco Business Center website. You can easily find this through a quick web search or by entering the URL directly if you have it on hand. Once you're on the homepage of the Costco Business Center, look for the option labeled Ask a Question. This can usually be found in the customer service section or the bottom of the page where assistance options are typically housed. After clicking on Ask a Question, you'll be presented with several topics. What you need to find is the Returns and Refunds option. This section is dedicated to all the information you need regarding returning products and securing a refund. Take a moment to read through it, especially if it's your first time handling a return, as it might provide some useful insights specific to your situation. Once you've clicked through to the Returns and Refunds page, you'll see another option labeled again as Returns and Refunds. Yes, this can seem repetitive, but it's crucial to ensure you're directed to the right resources. Clicking this option will lead you to a more detailed set of instructions and possibilities for proceeding with your return. Next, you'll want to click on Contact Us. The customer service team at Costco is there to help you with any questions or complications you might encounter during the process. By selecting this option, you'll find various ways to get in touch with a representative who can guide you further. When you're at the contact stage, you'll need to decide how you'd like to communicate with customer service. Costco typically offers a couple of convenient options, including live chat and phone calls. Live chat might be a handy choice if you're looking for quick answers without the need for a phone call. However, if your situation is a bit more complex or you prefer to speak to someone directly, calling might be the better route. Remember that being patient and having all your order details ready will expedite the process significantly. This includes your order number, the item you wish to return, and any other relevant information that a representative might need. And there you have it. I hope these instructions help guide you through returning your Costco online order smoothly and effortlessly. If you encounter any issues, Costco's customer service team is always on standby to assist, ensuring your return experience is as hassle-free as possible. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.